Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GH. I'm just starting out on YouTube and I thought a good way to kick things off would be a raw POV drive in my car. Nothing crazy, just you, me and the road. This channel is going to be all about cars, whether it's driving them, working on them, fixing them up, projects, challenges, or just having fun behind the wheel. I'm here for it all. I'm no expert, just a guy who loves cars and wants to share that passion. I'll be learning as I go along, figuring out how to edit, figuring out my video shoots, and voiceovers like this, and so much more when it comes down to creator life. So please do bear with me. So if you're into cars, stick around, make sure you subscribe, because here's a bit of a sneak peek of what to expect. Stinks of petrol, don't know how the fuck it's running, sounds like a fucking tractor. Thanks for watching, please like, comment, subscribe, share this around, help me grow as much as I physically can, because my end goal is I want to bring back old school Top Gear, and I know a lot of you people out there are missing them days.